What is up, guys? This is the FNH tutorial here, and today I am going to be reviewing something brand new. Okay, you know this channel if you've been watching it. I don't really review stuff like this, but this one I just had to review, right, because I thought it was really good. So it's a book, and it's called Investing QuickStart Guide. And on the bottom it says the Simplified Beginner's Guide to Successfully Navigating the Stock Market, Growing Your Wealth, and Creating a Secure Financial Future. And it is by Todd D. Snow. He's a CFP and he has an MBA. Okay, so that's the front cover of it, and the back it's just basically an excerpt of what the book is about, what you'll learn, and then I guess over here it talks a little about who Ted is. Okay. Oh, I think I pronounced this Todd before, but it's Ted. My bad. But as you can see when you open the book, it's really good. It doesn't go into too much detail where it'll confuse you, but if you're a beginner and just want to learn about it and know what it is, basically what the stock market has, how to basically the basic of investing, your psychology, how you should think about it, right, what short games are, right, and all that other basic stuff. It tells you what it is. So after reading this book, you'll have a good understanding of basically investing. Okay, and you can have obviously it doesn't talk into too much detail, or it doesn't go step by step of I guess how you would start investing, but it definitely is a good book for the beginner. I mean, I've been investing for quite some time, and I read this book and I did learn some things that I wasn't really that I didn't know. So even though I've been investing for a number of years, there were some basics that I didn't know, and this book really helped me clear up on those. Okay, so you can see the book is let's see, it's around, well, this is the glossary, so we wouldn't want to count that, but let's see the pages. It's around like 170, right, maybe a little slightly less, 160, around there. What is this page? This should be the last page. So 163 is basically the conclusion, right? But so you can see it's a short book, not too long. It's really well written. I would definitely say that, right? There's a lot of diagrams. There's a lot of what do you call it? Examples of what when they explain something, when they talk about something, they explain it really well. Right, they give you like a really basic example of it so you can get it and understand it. So that's why I really think that this book is really good. Yeah, so if you are an expert at investing, you probably wouldn't learn too much. Maybe there's a few topics you'll learn something here and there, but this is mostly geared towards beginners who are just starting to invest. And this doesn't, whether you're investing in cryptocurrency or stocks or any other kind of investments, this is good because basically all the basic principles are generally the same. So this will help you in either if you're in whatever you invest in. Okay, so if you have any questions on basically this book, more if you want to know some more details about it, right, you can feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. I always reply on all my videos, right? And if you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, and a lot of different other videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.